pads and rotors all the way around on a 2016 Escalade. I done already did the work, but I'll take a look at this John. They come with 22s on these Johns. 22s out the box. Nice trucks. Let's look inside real quick. .2 liter John. Let's see what the inside look like. Hey, you get an inspection. Hey, I can't even get in this John. Fucking lift is so close, but those buttons I was talking about, the GMs come with these touch buttons. I hate those buttons. Like, you gotta like touch it or slide it for it to work. It is so irritating. It's one of the worst designs you could come out with. And of course GM did it. John got the third row. But this John clean. Cadillac, typical shit, you know what I mean? Yeah, this John dirty too. Yep. This John got the Cadillac inside the headlight. That's crazy. That is nice though, I ain't gonna hold you. This ain't the newest one, they got one after this one, but it's nice, it's a nice truck. This John clean. I'll buy it. Give y'all a second look inside real quick. You know.
Really want a video on this, John?
Huh? I got it.